Meron ka bang tattoo sa likod mo?
Meron po, Mr. Chair.
Meron. Okay. Yung tattoo mo sa likod, I can imagine it's a colored and dragon-like figure tattoo. Am I correct?
I invoke the right to privacy, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Well, ito pong informasyon na ito ay itong intelligence information na ito ay ibinigay sa akin na isang foreign country na ang sinasabi ay itong si Vice Mayor Paulo Duterte ay member ng Triad at ito, ang proof ng kanyang membership ay yung tattoo sa likod. Yan ang mag-i-explain ng lahat ng ito at merong mga competition among syndicates. Dahil yan yung proof. That's the physical evidence of his membership sa Triad, yung tattoo. Ngayon, Mr. So, can you show us that, are you willing to show us that tattoo to validate or invalidate?
Mr. Chair, I invoke my right to privacy.
Okay.
The chair would like to request respectfully that we should not make allegations here without any basis, because Triad is a very serious accusation. And we should not abuse any of the witnesses here. The chair intends to make sure
Yes.
that we respect those rights.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman. That's why I'm going to present the evidence of my allegation, which is written and printed and tattooed on the back of Mr. Paulo Duterte, because that's the membership of Triads, Mr. Chairman. So I'm not making any baseless allegations here. This intelligence information was handed down to me from a foreign country and na-validate naman, in-admit naman ni Mr. Paulo Duterte. I wouldn't have any way of knowing na meron siyang ganun tattoo. But yun ang sinasabi ng Intel report. The membership is printed there, Mr. Chairman.